Okay, that was almost a headline. Monkey Falls into Mountain River. Who needs roller coasters when you've got this road?
Pakistan's chai tastes like peace. I needed this.
I came for chai, ended up with new brothers.
Good chai, great company. I'll never forget this place.
If you're loving this ride, like the video and subscribe to Pawfina.
It's like walking through a dream, and I think it's leading to something magical.
This trail, it's getting quieter, but I hear something up ahead.
This is it. I found it. The hidden waterfall of Hunza. Whoa. Oh. Okay. That's cold. That's very cold.
Turns out, getting soaked is worth it when you end up with a campfire and good company. I came here chasing waterfalls, but found something way better. Quiet, peace,